How to create fashion brochure on Microsoft Word easy and fast. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create fashion brochure on Microsoft Word easy. So first thing, go to Microsoft Word. This is the home page as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do is search here for fashion brochure, and now wait a few seconds and you will find this template right here. Now just click create right here, and here you go. Now from here you can edit and change wherever you want, from the photos, the design, the company name. As you can see, very easy to edit. And after you finish, click save here and it will be saved to your PC. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.